Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Sorry for the fan noise in the background, but listen, today in our studio it's about 90 degrees and climbing, so we're gonna have to get used to it. At this time of year it's normal, but it's kind of crazy the weather that we have. So anyway guys, today we're gonna do something special. I just thought about it yesterday. We're gonna use baking soda, we're gonna use peroxide, and we're gonna use silicone and Floetrol. So I think it's gonna be nice to see the reaction between all of them. We did use in the past the peroxide, but mix with the baking soda and everything, I think it's gonna be nice. So we're not using any water to dilute it. We're going to use only peroxide, and I think it's going to be enough. I think it's going to look great. Anyway, we're going to use the same technique we did, like we call the Silicone technique, meaning we're going to do a simplest way, but with a lot of product, but we're going to do something resembling negative space. So let's go and try it, and let's see what happens. Let's come back to the end and talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so I think it's very nice. Well, of course I'm not sure what the result is going to be since I just finished it, but you see once it's dry. I think it's going to be nice. I think it's the finish is a lot like a lot of things we did in the past, so I don't think that's anything special. Of course maybe there's going to be some relief on it because I think when it's going to dry maybe it's going to blow up a little bit because of the baking soda. So I'm not sure. I think it's what's going to happen. I hope it does. I think it's very nice. I think that the contrast of everything gives it a nice look, which is a bit different. So in a way it's subjective. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it because, like always, it's not that hard to do. I think it's gonna look nice. So anyway guys, you be the judge. You can do it, try it as a flip cup, but I think a flip cup in this way would mix too much the acrylic and the colors together, which would blend a little bit too much. Anyway, like I said, it's a question of taste. Like always in art, you have to be the judge by yourself, and I'm hoping you're going to try it because, like I said, it's very simple. So guys, once again, I thank you for coming back time after time. I hope you're going to still come back because we have a lot of things to show you. There's a lot of things that are going to change. I'm going to do a special on my channel, which is going to be at the start of September with a nice little puppy. He's going to be our mascot. So I hope you're going to join us for that new adventure. I think it's going to be nice. So guys, like I said, thank you for being here. I hope you're going to come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.